From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish. The history of Nigeria and Egusi is a deeply intertwined narrative, not of nations and treaties, but of cultivation, community, and the enduring power of a single seed to define a culinary tradition. To tell this story is to trace the journey of a melon and the people who transformed it into a cornerstone of their culture, long before the modern borders of Nigeria were ever drawn. The tale begins in the vast, ancient landscapes of West Africa. The progenitor of the Egusi seed is a certain variety of melon, Citrullus lanitus, which is believed to have been first domesticated in the wider region encompassing parts of present-day Nigeria, Ghana, and Benin. For countless generations, the indigenous peoples of this land foraged for wild melons. The pivotal moment of culinary innovation came when these early agriculturalists made a conscious choice to cultivate select varieties not for their bitter flesh, but for the treasure hidden within, their oil-rich, protein-packed seeds. This act of selective domestication, a process that unfolded over millennia, was a foundational chapter in West African food history, creating a reliable, storable source of vital nutrition. These seeds, now known as Egusi, became deeply embedded in the agricultural and cultural practices of the myriad societies flourishing on the land that would one day become Nigeria. The plant thrived in the local climate and was perfectly suited to the polyculture farming systems developed by various ethnic groups, growing alongside yams, cocoyams, and later plantains. The harvesting, shelling, drying, and storing of Egusi seeds became a rhythmic, seasonal activity, primarily managed by women, who were the traditional custodians of food cultivation and preparation. Its ability to be stored for long periods made it a crucial safeguard against famine and a staple for surviving the dry season, securing its indispensable role in the local diet. The evolution of the Egusi seed into the soup known today is a story of profound culinary artistry. Generations of cooks, through experimentation and knowledge passed from mother to daughter, mastered the techniques of grinding the dried seeds into powders and pastes. They discovered that when simmered in a broth, these ground seeds would coalesce into the characteristic, thick, hearty consistency of the soup. This base was then elevated by a symphony of other indigenous ingredients: deep red palm oil, an array of leafy vegetables like bitter leaf or ugu, and a complex palette of spices such as Scotch bonnet peppers, iru, fermented locust beans, and crayfish. As great kingdoms like Benin, Oyo, and the Sokoto Caliphate rose and fell, the practice of making Egusi soup evolved within each distinct culture. The Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, Efik, and Tiv peoples, among many others, each developed their own cherished variations, reflecting local tastes and ingredient availability. This resulted in a magnificent diversity where Egusi soup could be thin or thick, fiercely spicy or subtly nutty, packed with vegetables or laden with assorted meats and fish. This regional adaptation made Egusi a truly pan-Nigerian dish centuries before the amalgamation of the northern and southern protectorates in the year 1914 created the entity known as Nigeria. Following independence in the year 1960, Egusi soup transcended its role as mere sustenance to become a powerful, unifying symbol of Nigerian identity. In a nation of extraordinary ethnic and religious diversity, the shared love for Egusi forms a common cultural language. It is a dish of both everyday comfort and grand celebration, served at weddings, naming ceremonies, and funerals alike. For the massive Nigerian diaspora around the world, the process of preparing a pot of Egusi is an act of cultural preservation, a tangible taste of home that connects them across continents to their heritage. Therefore, the history of Nigeria and Egusi is a continuous, unbroken story of adaptation and resilience. It is a history measured in harvests and shared meals, a testament to the ingenuity of the Nigerian people who took a simple seed and through centuries of care and creativity, forged it into an enduring icon of their national spirit. The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.